Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you replace the license plate bulb. So the license plate bulbs you can't really replace from the outside without popping. This cover doesn't pop off, so you can't replace them from the outside. So it's just as easy, or very easy, to do it from the inside. So you raise the trunk up, and once you have the trunk up, there's all these push pins you can go around and remove. I'll leave one in just so it doesn't fall completely out, or you can take the last one out and just take the whole cover off. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to at least remove all these front ones so that you can pull this cover down and reach up right here, and that's where the light bulb is. And so you can just turn that to loosen it and to pull it out. And then you just pull this light bulb out. And this light bulb is a 12961 for the license bulb, plate bulb. So you just get a new 12961, and then place it back in there and lock it in place, and then do the same, line this up, turn that quarter turn to the right, and so that's how you replace your license plate bulb on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.